have trouble keeping a conversation going? If you hate those moments of silence, what can you do to get rid of them? In this video, I'll teach you how you can get rid of those moments of silence and how to keep a conversation going. But first, be sure to press that red subscribe button if you want to learn about educational content in under 2 minutes. So why do conversations suddenly stop? And if you pick one up, do you ask yes or no questions? Yes or no questions are not good lines to keep a conversation going. Someone answers with a simple yes or no, and then it's just silence. So to solve this problem, ask open-ended questions, questions that are harder to answer. This will provoke a more interesting answer, which you can ask follow-up questions to. Another tip is to use the talk show host mindset. Talk show hosts want to keep a conversation going and pretend like you're a talk show host. How would you keep the conversation going? Using this mindset, you can destroy those moments of silence. But what if that doesn't work for you? Then practice and preparation is the way to go. Prepare some ideas so that you can go deep. The point is, practice makes perfect. If you're going to tell a story, then practice it. Take out the parts that don't sound good. You can also talk about the other person's interests. Why does this work? Well, the other person is passionate about it, which means they know a lot of stuff about it, or can talk up a storm. Ask about their hobbies, their families and friends, school or work. Encouraging someone to keep talking can also save the conversation. If they pause a little, you can encourage them by saying approval sounds like ah or and. This might inspire the other person to keep on talking. I hope this video helped you in any way. Be sure to click that like button and subscribe. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, yes, it's me. I'm doing a little end card thing, but if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button. Well, anyways, I just wanted to tell you, do you guys like this kind of new video format? If you do, comment down below. If you don't, also comment that down below. Well, bye!